Happy December! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries. This month's Kids Take and Make kit is a book page ornament. These kits are available while supplies last at Columbus and Saluda Library, so pick up your free kit today and follow along with this video to make some awesome book page ornaments. Also, don't forget to check our website calendar or our Facebook page for lots of fun events we have going on this month. All right, let's make our book page ornaments. Okay, we are going to make our book page ornaments. So if you open up your kit, there are a few things inside. You have a container with some glitter and a button inside. You have a little printout. It has two different winter animals or winter scenes. You might have a snowman or an owl or a fox or a bird. You have some old book pages, and if you make this craft and you really like it, we always have free books out in the lobby at Columbus Library if you wanted to get some more book pages to make some more ornaments. And you have a piece of ribbon. So we're going to make a book page ornament. I have already made one as an example. This is called, this shape or ornament is called a rosette. So let's get started. Okay, you will need a few other supplies from home that were not included in your kit. You'll need a pair of scissors, that's kind of optional. Glue, definitely need, not optional. And if you plan to use the glitter, a bowl or a cup to pour the glitter in, or a plate. All right, so each ornament is going to use two pieces of book pages. Two book pages rather, and I included 4 just in case you want to practice or you don't like your first one, but you just need 2 for one ornament. So how we make it is we start folding it accordion style, and it does need to be folded on the short end of the page, so this ensures that we have enough book page to wrap around and make the full rosette. I have experimented with this, and if you fold it this way, it ends up being too short. So once we make the rosette, you're going to have 2 options for your decorating. You can either use one of the little winter images that's included, or you can use the button to put at the center of your ornament. So whichever style you prefer. And there are a few things that are optional in this craft because we want you to make it your own, decide what you like. All right, after you have accordion folded both of those book pages, you are going to fold them in half. Like that. Ooh. All right, and then you're going to get your ribbon, and you are going to connect them with your ribbon. It's going to go right down the center of both book pages. You'll bring them together like that, and then you'll tie a knot and try to keep the knot on the top, which will actually end up being the back instead of the middle, and you'll have this excess to tie it to your Christmas tree if that's how you want to decorate. All right, so now we need to glue the book pages together. So there are, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 separate spots, so 4 places we are going to have to glue. So what I recommend is gluing 3 of those spots first and leaving the last one open. One, 2, and I think Elmer's glue works best. If you have a glue stick, that will work too. A hot glue gun would also work. All right. Another thing you can do if you want is, this is where your scissors come in handy. You can trim these to be more rounded, and that will give you a nice shape. You might want to do this before you glue, or you can just separate them out a little bit and trim a few edges at a time. Ooh, this really goes everywhere. That will give you that nice rounded shape like this one has. So hold it together, make sure that's gluing. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we're going to glue our final piece together. Beautiful rosette. All right, so if you want to use your glitter, now is the time that we are going to do that. So, we're going to need glue and glitter. Actually, you might need 2 bowls or plates because you're going to use a significant amount of glue. Make sure this is dried all the way before you do this. And you're going to dip the edges of your ornament in glue. And you know what? I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to dip the edges of my ornament that's already dry just to get this video rolling. I'll dip those in glue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it over my bowl. And I'm going to pour some glitter around the edges, making sure to save that excess glitter in my bowl so I can use more if I want. You could also pour the glitter in your bowl first and roll the edges just like we did the glue. So that just gives it a nice little sparkle if you want some sparkle. All right. And then our final step is going to be adding the embellishment on the front. So if you choose one of the winter images, you're just going to cut it out and glue it to the front. If you choose your button, you're just going to glue that to the front center. And this is going to be our final step. You're going to let it all dry, and then you're going to use the back of your ribbon. You can tie it on one of the tree branches for a lovely ornament, or hang it up in your room or wherever else you like. Enjoy! Have fun!